for the best vegetables to control your blood sugar. The best part is that you can easily find all of them at your local market, grocery store, or nearby shop. Whether you're diabetic, pre-diabetic, or just someone who wants to take care of their health and prevent future diseases, this video is perfect for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video because sharing health information is an act of love. Also, let me know in the comments which part of Brazil or the world you're watching from right now. I'm in Aracaju, Sergipe, in my beloved Northeast Brazil. How about you? Where are you watching from? Write it in the comments or chat, and let's dive right into our video topic: vegetables that are great for controlling your blood sugar. Our first vegetable is zucchini, which is an excellent source of soluble fiber. So when food is a source of soluble fiber, it slows down digestion and delays the absorption of carbohydrates, preventing intense spikes in blood sugar. Therefore, when food is high in fiber, it results in a less intense blood sugar spike. Zucchini, folks, is also incredibly low in calories. Zucchini has few carbohydrates, little protein, but it's packed with micronutrients, vitamins, and fiber. So it's also a great option for those looking to lose weight, because since zucchini isn't calorie dense and doesn't provide much energy, it won't contribute to weight gain. Moreover, being rich in fiber, it also helps lower the glycemic index of other foods. Let me give you an example to illustrate this. When someone eats a banana, their blood sugar spikes significantly. However, when that person eats a banana along with oats, the blood sugar spike is much less pronounced. Why is that? Well, it's because oats are high in fiber. This slows down the absorption of carbohydrates, preventing a sudden spike in your blood sugar, which is excellent for people with diabetes, because one of the main goals of treatment is to avoid extreme highs and lows in blood sugar levels. The ideal is to keep blood sugar levels as stable as possible. So zucchini is the first one. The second is a cousin of zucchini, which is eggplant, because eggplant contains compounds like berberine, which we've discussed in some of our other videos, that helps control mainly type 2 diabetes. So the berberine found in eggplant helps improve insulin sensitivity, because how does one of the mechanisms of diabetes work? Your cells become resistant to insulin. Insulin is the hormone that stimulates your cells to take sugar from your blood and bring it into the cells. When your cells are resistant to insulin, they end up not being stimulated by the hormone and are unable to properly remove sugar from the bloodstream in an adequate manner, causing this sugar to accumulate in your blood, increasing the risk of diabetes and raising your blood sugar levels. So, eggplant, through its compound berberine, improves your insulin resistance. It reduces insulin resistance and increases insulin sensitivity. Therefore, eggplant will help your cells more effectively remove sugar from your blood, thus controlling blood glucose levels. Our third vegetable, which is actually more of a vegetable than a legume, is broccoli, which is rich in fiber and antioxidants like sulforaphane. Sulforaphane has been extensively studied for its potential to improve the function of pancreatic beta cells, and it's precisely the pancreatic beta cells that produce insulin. So for those of you who have had diabetes for some time, where the pancreas no longer produces insulin as it should because it's been producing too much insulin for a long time, and then it kind of conked out, to put it in plain terms, broccoli, through sulforaphane, can improve the function of pancreatic beta cells, which are responsible for producing insulin. Insulin is the hormone responsible for stimulating your cells to remove sugar, the sugar in your bloodstream. Our fourth vegetable is carrots, which is a root vegetable that even has a moderate glycemic index, but because it provides a lot of fiber, this also helps to control, reduce, and slow down the absorption of sugars. Okay? The fifth food is tomatoes, rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that has anti-tumor properties, especially against prostate cancer, but it can also help regulate glucose levels and and it also reduces the risk of insulin resistance. Got it? So tomatoes are also excellent for those with diabetes or pre-diabetes, for those who want to reduce their blood sugar levels, and tomatoes are also an extremely low-calorie food. So it's not a problem for people who want to lose a bit of weight to consume them. Agreed? Our next food, our sixth one, is pumpkin, which is rich in fiber, rich in beta-carotenes, and also has a low glycemic index, making it an excellent option for people with diabetes. As we mentioned earlier, fibers slow down the absorption of sugars and glucose in your body, preventing a high glycemic spike. As we've seen, this is crucial for good diabetes management. Our seventh food, actually, so don't go anywhere, stay with us. And there are more people watching our video than giving it a like. So please leave a like, because when you hit that like button, you help this video and its content reach more people. So leave your like, because by doing so, you'll help others control their diabetes without medication. The seventh food is beans. It can be white beans, black beans, pinto beans, or green beans, because they're high in fiber. They're a plant-based source of protein, and being rich in fiber as well as other substances, this helps stabilize blood glucose levels. So beans are excellent for people with diabetes, okay? So folks, these foods all work on similar principles. These are foods rich in fiber, foods that reduce insulin resistance and increase insulin sensitivity. So if you have a diet rich in these foods I mentioned here, your chances of controlling your blood sugar levels well are enormous. So folks, eat cucumber, bell pepper, okra without moderation. What else can we eat without moderation? Eggplant, zucchini, broccoli, carrots, tomatoes. You can really go to town on these. You can eat as much as you want and let your imagination run wild when preparing your lunch, breakfast, dinner, snacks, basically any meal. Got it? Folks, if you have problems with diabetes, if you're struggling with your glucose meter, if every time you check, you prick your finger and it's showing 180, 190, 200, you need to make changes to your lifestyle. Lifestyle is more important than any medication for treating diabetes. You know why? Because lifestyle is the root cause of diabetes. So if you don't address the root cause of diabetes and rely solely on medication to control the problem, you're going to end up in trouble. You won't be tackling the cause, the root of the problem. You'll only be managing a clinical symptom of the disease. And it's crucial that you act to correct what's wrong, to fix what's causing the problem. With this in mind, I wrote my book, The Longevity Code, with 100 habits to live past 100. These 100 habits will be essential for lowering your blood sugar levels, better controlling your blood pressure, cholesterol, stress, and improving your sleep. I'm confident that if you apply the guidelines in the book, your life will change for the better, and you'll also manage your diabetes more effectively. Click on the first link in the description now to get your copy, read the book, put it into practice, and if you don't like what's written, if you feel it's not for you, no worries, just send us a message and we'll refund you. No questions asked, no red tape. We're taking all the risk here. I'm so certain you'll enjoy the book that I'm doing this to ensure you'll buy it, read it, and apply it, because your life will improve. You'll have more energy, more vitality, and better health.